Hi,
Everybody.
everybody.
There you go. See, that's good.
Hi, everybody.
Everybody. Hello, my gorgeous friends. Welcome to Lupita Marcy's Kitchen. Today is a very special day because I have a special guest with me, and that is my mom. Her name is Lupita.
Hola a todos ustedes.
We will be making chalupas today, which is one of my mom's special appetizers. The ingredients that we're going to need are water, instant corn flour, all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, salt, and then of course we're going to need a tortilla press, vegetable oil to fry, and the plastic. For the toppings of the chalupas, we will need cacique Mexican cream, which is table cream. We're going to need finely chopped cabbage, fresh Mexican cheese, and salsa. The salsa, you can find the recipe in my enchiladas, how to make enchiladas video, and I will also leave the recipe on the description below. We're gonna start mixing the ingredients for the chalupas. We finished making 10 pieces. Each is 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna grab one of the pieces and we're gonna start rolling slowly. About right there. We're going to place it in the center of the tortilla press. And we are going to squeeze slowly. Then we check it. And then we press again slowly, about right there. And we grab it like that. And we're just gonna go like this. We have medium heat, and now we're gonna cook the chalupa. After 30 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and flip it to the other side. And it's gonna be a total of 2 minutes, so 30 seconds on each side. You can use your fingers or you can use a spoon. And you need to do this shortly after it's done cooking, because if they get too cold, it's hard to pinch the edges. So right after they're done cooking is when you gotta do it. Next, we're going to add the finely chopped cabbage. We're going to add now fresh Mexican cheese. Now we're going to add the cacique cream. Mom, thank you so much for being here with me today on my video. Gracias por haber estado en mi video, mamá.
Gracias.
Vamos a probarlas
Vamos
ahora.
a probarlas ahora. Ricas.
Thank you so much for watching my video, my gorgeous friends. I hope you liked learning how to make chalupas. Give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you'll see the next videos that I'll be sharing with you. I was very happy to have my mom today because she's the one that has taught me how to cook a lot of what I know. She's always told me, daughter, life is tough, but so are you. And I believe that. Super.
¿Qué dijo? ¿Ya ves?
Ya cuando te di tienes que decir hi everybody.
Ay, joder, la manteca.
Hi everybody.
¿Qué?
Everybody.
Everybody, a todos ustedes.
Hola a todos ustedes.
Ya. Ya me puedo
Hi
decir.
everybody. Hola a todos ustedes.
Hi, everybody, a todas ustedes. Ya.
Padre, ya.
Ya.
Hi everybody.
Hi,
Everybody.
everybody.
Hola
Hola
a todos
a
ustedes.
todos ustedes.
Ok,
¿Está bien?
Ya, ok.
Ya, entonces
Ya,
ya.
no, vamos a hacerlo ya. Esa era tu práctica. Ok,
Ya.
ya te voy a decir. Ok, let's start.